Alright, we're here today, not in my garage, to finish the bumper after 3 years. We got our receiver tubes, and we're about to cut and drill the 2-inch square tubing to go in there. And we have my buddy Wes. Say hi, Wes.
Hey, Wes.
He's about to drill the tubes. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get drilled. Now that we got our 2-inch square tubes in, we ran a 11 gauge 2-inch square tube to span the width and connect them. And that sets our 90 degrees so we can pull it in and out of our receivers. We've got some 1, 2, 3 blocks and jack stands to make this precision mock-up so we know the distance of our bottom supports. So we're going to take square tubing, run it from the span to the winch plate, in the center and on the sides, and then do a skid to box it all in and give us some good rigidity. So that's where we're at. Let's go.
That looks a lot better.
Alright, so now we're done with the fabric cobbling, and what we've done is move the bumper off the receiver mounts, make a skid plate, because it's still got to box in the bottom there and finish it up. And what do you think?
I think it's a decent design for all the scrap we had.
Yeah. A decent design with Mr. Bubbles' approval. Decent. Just lower it slow as you can, I guess. Yeah, I didn't see any flex in the mounts. Alright, so after I finished the bumper, I smashed up the truck pretty good, and I about got the truck pulled out from all the dents and everything. So now I'm going to take the winch off the bumper and see if I can, you can see the, you know, if you're facing the bumper from here, the right side, it's pretty twisted, so I'm going to strap it to a tree, see if I can untwist the bumper, and then some of my welds, not the welds, the tubing next to the weld. Let's see if we can get that light on there. Come on. Yeah, so tubing next to the weld broke. So if we can straighten it out and re-weld the tubing instead of having to re-bend all this tubing, that would save a lot of time. Because good strong welds and the tubing breaks. Alright, let's take the winch off and see what we can do. Alright, now I got the bumper wedged between these two trees. So I just kind of got it hooked on that tree, put the center there, and then I'm just going to hook the truck up to here and give it a good yank and see if I can just basically pull it out. You can see where this tube is supposed to run straight all the way along, and then it has a bend right there. So this whole part of this really just needs to come forward, so we're going to see if we can make that happen. Alright, let's hook her up and see what happens. Now if we come back over here, we can check out that tube, and now you can see that it's actually fairly straight, and this all looks to be pretty close to decent. So let's put it on the truck and see how good we got.